Enter the Mech keys world with confidence. The Drop Entr is the culmination of our efforts to create an accessible keyboard made with enthusiast-grade materials. A win-win for those just getting into the hobby, and those who've been in it for years. Quality you can feel. From its quality build to its streamlined aesthetic, the Entr pulls no punches. Constructed with an anodized aluminum case and plastic top cover, it's heavy enough to stay put on your desktop. Halo True switches. This Entr model comes with Halo True switches, which are medium weight and provide smooth tactile action. Halo True switches have a light preload to reduce jarring impact and a heavy spring to discourage bottoming out. Doubleshot PBT keycaps. Made from durable Doubleshot PBT, the Entr keycaps won't fade or shine, but they're easy to switch out if you want a new look. From its quality build to its streamlined aesthetic, the Entr pulls no punches. Constructed with an anodized aluminum case and a plastic top cover, it's heavy enough to stay put on a desktop, yet not so heavy it's a burden to take on the go. For the switches, we chose two of the community's preferred styles: Halo True switches, Tactile, known for their snappy feedback, and Gateron Yellow switches, linear, great for fast and gentle typists. Whatever you choose, the Entr has N-key rollover, which means it keeps up with every keystroke, no matter how fast you type. Finally, it's backed by the latest USB-C connection with white LEDs for visibility in dark conditions. Top reviews from the United States. Quality keyboard. I bought this keyboard for work and it's my first mechanical keyboard. I like it and it isn't loud enough to be distracting to my coworkers.